Hi everyone! Welcome to the unboxing and review of the GEVI Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. You can get this product for about $90. Check out the link in the description. The vacuum cleaner comes with a hairbrush and a flat suction nozzle. Both are very easy to attach and remove. The battery is removable, which makes it easy to disassemble and clean the dust cup and the filter. First, I fully charged the battery. Charging time is about 3 hours and the vacuum cleaner can work continuously for up to 40 minutes. You can easily attach the extension tube and the floor brush head. Just make sure the front of the extension bar is facing up. The floor brush is large and flexible, it works on hard floor and carpet and is equipped with LED lights. The vacuum cleaner has a strong suction, which makes it easy to clean your floors and carpets. Like all vacuum cleaners on the market, it makes noise, but it's actually not too loud. Cleaning the dust cup is quick and easy. Cleaning the floor brush is also very easy. The top of the vacuum cleaner is a bit heavy, so the vacuum cleaner won't stand upright without leaning it against a wall. I tested the vacuum cleaner for about 2 weeks and I think it's a very good product. It's very easy to use and thanks to the powerful suction it cleans pretty good. So if you're looking for an affordable cordless vacuum cleaner which has a powerful suction but is not too noisy, I would recommend the GEVI Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or comments about this product and subscribe for more amazing product reviews.